what's up everybody? Welcome back to Recipe Joe's, and today we have a special treat for you. We've got two watermelons, two different types of watermelons. This watermelon is a red and this one is a yellow. Never had a yellow before. I got these from Isom's Orchard not too long ago. Big shout out to Marlene and Mary. So we're going to try these out, and to try these out I have, what's your name?
Gabby.
Look at the camera and say it.
Gabby. Victoria.
And we're going to test them out right now. So we're not going to hold you up without any further ado. It's going to slice into them and we're going to tell you what we think. All right?
Here we go, people.
Red one first. I put down the table mats. I'm trying not to hit my head on this thing. All right. Here we go.
Don't chop into the watermelon. Guys, is he's cutting into that watermelon. Just like he does when he buys watermelons. Ooh. I thought this was the red one.
Pick up.
Why won't he stay still?
Whoop. Almost lost that one. There we go.
Delicious.
That's the red one.
Wow.
As you can see.
Red.
Check that out. I'm trying not to hit my head on this. It smells really good.
Ooh, it does. It has a smell.
So we're going to push this one forward.
Wow.
And we're going to cut into this one. Here's the next one. Here we go.
Oh, yeah, that does smell good. I hope it will look yellow inside. Dude, it's not returning. That's the yellow piece.
Okay, we're going to hold on to this one better than that other one. Almost lost it.
It's yellow! Wow! That's so cool.
So that's the yellow one.
Hold up.
Check it out.
It smells the same. Let me smell. Yeah, it smells the same.
Okay.
And I hope
So here's what we're going to do. Since we cut both of them, I'm going to slice into one that's tasted, and we're going to give you our reactions to it. So I'm going to slice this one more time.
Like a karate man.
Slide that one over.
I'm gonna slide you. It looks like an apple. Whoa.
Okay, we're going to cut the other one. Go back at it.
Sharp knife. You never touch sharp knives, guys. Because if you do, you will get hurt.
Okay. All right, so scoot this over. We're going 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Put some into this one, and then let's do this one. We'll do 1, 2, 3. Cut into that one. All right.
Which one are we trying first? The red one. Yes.
We will. I'm gonna sit down so y'all can see me better.
Yes.
Okay. So now here's the red one.
Yay. It's gonna be so good.
Here you go, Gabby.
Don't eat it yet.
You can go ahead.
Okay. No. I'm gonna eat it when everybody has it. 1, 2, 3, eat. So good.
This is a good one. Doesn't taste watery.
Pick the best
You know,
one.
sometimes you get a watermelon, you're real excited about it. It's not very sweet. Put it right there.
I'm gonna put on.
This one is good.
Last one we got didn't last long.
Yeah, I know. So we're not gonna hold you up much longer. I'm gonna take a couple more bites.
Mine
Then we're
has the juicy.
Okay. Oh yeah, give him paper towel for her. Hope you all are having a good day. Okay.
If you guys like this video, subscribe and hit that like button.
Okay. All right, next one. Oh, I already cut it. Yellow one. So here we go. Ooh, take that out. Hold on. Whoops.
Yeah.
We're gonna have watermelon juice everywhere.
Gotta clean it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up. It'll be all right. Here you go, Gabby. And I want to take a piece. Gabby.
piece.
Oh yeah, never mind. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
You know the same thing.
It's not bad, but it's not that good.
It's good.
Well,
It's
explain
delicious.
yourself. Explain yourself.
Mmm. I feel
When you
like
get, when you get a red watermelon and it's not that sweet, but it's still decently good. That's what it tastes like.
Okay, that's Tori's opinion. Gabby, don't throw seeds. What do you think?
it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Mm.
The texture of the yellow watermelon is a lot firmer, to be honest with you. Whereas the red one's a little bit softer. The red one's a little bit sweeter, but this one's intriguing me because I think once it chills down, it's going to be even better. Because it's sort of warm right now. But it's good though.
And it's really tasty.
It's almost crunchy almost.
I'm gonna steal
But it's got a beautiful color though. Y'all see
Daddy,
that?
can I have another one?
Which one?
Yellow.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, everybody. So, the verdict, both watermelons are fantastic.
Oh look, I just got the same taste. It tastes just like.
No, you taste it.
Fine.
They are really good. They are really tasty. We're going to rip into these and hope you all have a good one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Everybody say bye.
Bye.